Hello, and you are welcome to this part of the course where I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can complete the setup of your Amazon account and begin to publish your books to make more money on the Amazon platform. So I'm going to run through the entire process that you will need to be able to set up your account without issues. So to log into your account, you simply open your browser. So once your browser comes on, what you need to do is to type in kdp.amazon.com in order to begin the process. So we're typing that right in now, kdp.amazon.com. Once you type that in, you will allow it to load up, and once that loads up, you will see that you have options where you can join KDP, where you can sign in, we're going to click on sign in order to begin the process. And here you have the opportunity of putting in your email as well as your password. So they remember the email that you used in creating your Amazon shopping app is the same email you are going to be using here to log in, as well as the password that you created that time. So type in your email and then type in your password and simply click on sign in. So I'm typing in my password right now, and as soon as I'm done doing that, I'll just click on sign in order to continue with the process. So click on sign in. And now, once that loads up, you will see that you are being requested to input an OTP. This is where the Google Authenticator app that you downloaded is going to be very, very helpful, because you need to log in right now, get the code, and then put in here to continue with the process. Now, when you log into your Google Authenticator app, you'll find that the codes are already running. Allow the one that is running to pass, pick the next one, copy it, and then input it inside this box within 1 minute. If you don't do that within 1 minute, you will be unable to log in. So just copy the code, include it here, and then click on sign in to continue with the process. And once you do that, you'll find that you will log in without issues. Great. So now, since we are logging into this account for the very first time, you will need to go through and read the Amazon terms and conditions, and then you will click on agree in order to continue with the entire process. So just click on agree, and then we'll move to the next phase.